Come test drive the 2025 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van, flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, traction control, navigation system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.